Welcome to our Basler tutorial on how to get started with Pylon vTools. In this video, we will introduce Pylon vTools and its Workbench, explain how to add and license a vTool, cover recipe creation, recipe management, and vTool settings, show you how to use the pin data view, and how to access resources like Basler's product documentation. Please note you must have a camera connected and set up correctly. Let's get started by opening the Pylon viewer. To get access to vTools, launch the integrated Workbench from the toolbar or the Workbench menu. A so-called recipe is automatically created. All available vTools are shown in the vTool pane on the left. Licensed vTools appear in black. Please note that you can only add licensed vTools to your recipe. For an overview or to request a free demo license, click Help and vTool Licensing or use the top link within the vTools pane. Visit baslerweb.com/vtools for a simple overview of licensing models. Each vTool has a combination of tiers, Starter, Basic, and Pro, to match your needs and budget without sacrificing quality or performance. To add a vTool to the recipe, simply click on it in the vTool pane or right-click in the Workbench pane. Choose the camera vTool first. By default, the camera is set up in continuous shot mode, but you can also switch to single shot mode. Or use the free image loading vTool to load image files for input in other vTools. Click Run to start the recipe. The preview area of the recipe management pane immediately shows the results of the selected vTool, in this case, the camera image. Before adding another vTool to the recipe, ensure to stop the currently running recipe. Now add another vTool and simply connect the vTools using the mouse. To change the settings of the vTool, double-click on it. Customize the settings to meet your specific needs. To have a closer look at the results of the vTools in a recipe, open the pin data view. Here, you can choose all the pins of your interest. Please note that not all pins are selected by default. Next, start the recipe to see the results. Adjust the view settings of the pin data view as needed. Detailed results are shown directly beside the output image. Additionally, Basler has integrated useful documentation into the Basler Pylon software suite. The vTool documentation pane on the right side of the Pylon viewer provides a concise overview of the currently selected vTool. To get more detailed information, scroll down and click Get Help. This leads to the Basler product documentation, which is available both on and offline. Basler offers a diverse range of user-friendly vTools that cover various image processing functions. These functions include analyzing, classifying, locating, measuring, reading, and verifying. The Pylon vTools encompass these capabilities and are continuously expanding their portfolio. With Basler Pylon vTools, you are able to create high-performance image processing functions and flexibility to integrate everything you need into your application.